What's up, guys? Here is a new breakfast that I want to introduce you to. There's a wonderful paleo formula that you guys can use to make these amazing pancakes. I will give you guys where you can get that brand. Maybe there's a couple brands out there that I'm going to investigate, and I'm going to post to jzfitness.com. You could tell that my whipped cream is already melting because I had to get the camera together so I can do this video. But anyway, you always want to look for ways of getting vegetables into your plan. So I actually chopped up, I don't know if you could see it, zucchini into these paleo pancakes, put a few blueberries on top, and boom, I'm getting pancakes with, yes, that is right, whipped cream. So if you do a little doppel of whipped cream, it's not a big deal. That really doesn't look pretty. And that's actually why I decided to shoot this video, because I like organic, real, raw video and footage of everything in my life to show you that not everything is pretty, not anything is perfect. And to be very lean and very healthy, you just got to go with the flow and not stress about that type of stuff. Now, some of you like good presentation. I couldn't give a rat's ass because at the end of the day, it looks worse than that in my stomach. So there you have it. I also have limited time before my little baby, beautiful girl wakes up. So I'm gonna down these pancakes because then I'm going to the gym in 2 hours. So I'm gonna be needing as much energy as possible. So stay away from wheat pancakes. Definitely check out jzfitness.com underneath the breakfast section in the blog area under nutrition so that you can get some great healthy ideas on how to make breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks in less than 20 minutes.